Hello everyone. I think everything works. So welcome to another stream. It's been quite a day. But it's time to work a little on my little VR game for the GameDev TV Game Jam. We're working on a casual type farming game in Unity. Not a WebXR. I'm just trying to see and learn how to work with the Unity XRI. Mainly to learn and see how it works. But I had a rough time yesterday working on the game. Things didn't work. I finally managed to get my Quest back connected to Unity. For some reason the link cable just stopped working. I finished the day-night cycle yesterday. Let me check the list. So I moved a couple of things over to day 8 and I split day 9 and 10. So there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. I hope I get the time. Tomorrow there will be a meetup over at the WebXR Discord, so it's and I need to be there as well. Anyway, today I want to at least finish the growing of the plants according to the data, and I meant that the data says some plants live X amount of time and grow with X amount of speed. No, they don't live X amount of time. They grow. They grow with a certain growth speed. Let me check. I think that's in the prefabs. So we have the crops. It should be down here below. Yeah. So they cost 2. You profit 8, and the growth time is 6. So it's 6 days to get them fully grown. So there are 4 stages. So basically on day 6 we need to be at stage 4. So that's something I want to fix. I'm probably going to speed up the days. This 6 days, 8 days, 3 days and 7 days. Rosie came up with the numbers and they're different, so I think we should see where we get. Now we have 3 banks right now. Maybe, I hope I can fit it in time in the game, that we also can buy different Scarlet, welcome. Yes, it's for some reason I like farming games. It's really like Farming Valley, and I think, but that's between us, don't tell anyone. I think this game might trigger me going back to Farming Valley and start working on that again. Though Unity has some things that make life easy. I do like working in Wonderland as well. The whole thing with the deployments and stuff is, it's not very easy. It'll probably be a combination of this game and Farming Valley. For people who don't know, Farming Valley is a VR game I was working on quite some time ago. Yeah, I think I might I use the old one as reference. You think it's 06 that it was in? Yeah, could be. It's been a while. I was looking at clips and stuff, and it was... No, I don't. The deployment, it takes... Well, building an APK, it takes 10 minutes. And to get it... So you can get your Quest connected to Unity. So when I hit play, I don't have a screen share set up. But if I hit play, it's now connected to Unity. I think, yeah. So you can see what I'm doing. And I have the controls here, and I can just pick the hoe and just hold it, tilt the ground. Then I can... why is my volume doing things? So you can water the ground, and then you can place some seeds. Oh, and it's vibrating. The audio is not working right now, but I'm out of balance. So, and now we need to wait till they're fully grown. What's happening here? Oh, well, you don't see that probably. So yeah, now we wait until they're fully grown. It gets night, which is actually pretty easy to do in Unity. This whole day-night cycle. It's just, I mean, we wait now, and then you get the sunrise. But it's just the light. It's pretty funny. If you look at the scene, oh cool, you can see there's controls. Should be able to see the directional light. Wait. Oh, it's still on debug. Let me see I'm just rotating the light, and this is causing the light in the sun in the sky to work. Why is there audio way over there? Why did I put it there? That's weird. I might have accidentally moved it. But yeah, this is just connected to the light here, to the light source. Pretty cool. Oh. Now... You checked. That's probably where I saw it. I thought I saw clips. I don't know. It was a fun game. But there are some things I've been working on lately. I haven't been streaming much. With this game jam, I just decided, well, screw things. I'm just going to stream again on YouTube this time, and I'm not sure if people watch it or if people like it, but I'm back at the point that I don't care. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, well, sorry. So there was an error before, but it's gone now. Nice. I was just testing before the stream and I got a null ref exception, but I got it fixed. Basically, it was something with this, so I added the null check here. So this is basically the day cycle. Now the tricky thing that I was stuck in, and I can show you, I wrote a blog post about it as well. I'm keeping track of the a devlog on my website. And on itch. Where is it? It is the day-night cycle. Day-night cycle. There we go. So I wanted to have this trigger every time the sun started to rise. Well, thanks. Yeah, that helps. That helps a lot. That helps a lot. I just haven't set up anything in OBS again. I need to do that sometime. I don't have the camera set up. I don't have the green screen set up. Yeah, I was looking at a fancy way of using this Euler angle, and then it became a mess, and then I just thought, well, why not just to keep track of the time? Now the nice thing is, if I divide this by 24, I get hours as well. So I might do something with that as well. Now, I need to go and have a look at how we can... let's commit the whole thing first. The game is open source. If you look me up at GitHub, you can find the code. I think I posted it in a previous live stream as well. Day, night, cycle, I think this was. Commit and push. Well, thanks. That means a lot. Oh, wait. Oh, damn it. Cancel, 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 cancel. Oh, no. I made a boo-boo. Too late. I'm not sure what that folder was I just pushed. It said something about backing it up, but don't ship it. Oh well, it's pushed now. It's a game jam, so we're not going to bother. I need to do something with the plants. We have the growth stages and the growth time in days. Now I made sure that every plant, we have four stages. But this is the final stage. So on day, whatever we say, it should be this stage and it should be harvestable. But I think that if we wait too long, like 3 days or something, or 2 days, after they're fully grown, they're going to die off anyway. Or if you don't water the plants in between, they die off. So you have to balance the amount of plants you can grow and the amount of work you have on the plants. That was the whole idea, and I think we're getting close to that point. So I think I'm going to start with just not having the plants grow. Oh, erase. But just setting them at the final stage, at the final day. So we're just going to do this for now. And we say, if, do we have the day? Yeah, new day. And on new day we do grow. Maybe we should, there is no other way to grow them. No. So maybe just going to do it in this method here. So, if day equals, oh, that's not, oh, we cannot do that. Because they can be anything. If we plant, is harvestable. Is that the moment that start will be called? I think it might be, but yeah, we could get the day. We could say this dot day planted is equal to the current day. And then we just add this private field. And then we say if day minus the day planted. So this starts out at 0 but ends at some day equals this dot what do they call it? Growth time. At that point, it's 3. It's the final stage. I know. I shouldn't do it like this. It should be the final stage. but oh well, we could that better. Let's test this, but I'm going to make the day-night cycle. It's 30 seconds, but I think in Unity we can just say it should be shorter. On the light, yeah, so if we do 10 seconds, it will still take 70 seconds for some plants to fully grow. We're gonna go test this with the corn, I think. It's 8, no, the tomato. Tomato is 3 days, so it's 30 seconds. Let's test it with a tomato. So the sun should go really fast now. It's 30 seconds. There's a hair in my eye. Yeah. It's cool we can speed up time this way. Oh, the hoe. We don't need. And we say the tomato. So we plant a tomato. This is day 1. This is day 2. I'm not really happy about the way the light works on the... So I still need to water them actually. But I can't when there's a plant. It should be fully grown now or the day after this? Yes. Okay, so that works. Can I harvest it? Oh, that's interesting. I cannot harvest it. It says I can't. I cannot plant. I'm not sure why I can't harvest. Do we have errors? We don't. Let's set a breakpoint real quick. Here. So if we right click. Oh, interesting. Don't we get to that point anymore? Oh wait, I know. I'm stupid. I need to attach it. Okay, so now when I right click here, okay, we go into the breakpoint. Let's see what happens here. Okay, plant is not null. Is harvestable. It's not harvestable, okay? Go back. Go into it. We don't increase the growth states. So this will be the last stage. So now we should be able to harvest. Oh, water the soil and plant a tomato. That's day 1. If this wasn't a game jam, I would add a moon during the night. But I don't know how to do that. I think I need to change the whole thing. Ah, it's fully grown. But we cannot harvest. Why not? We still cannot harvest. Is there audio of... Wait. Oh, the audio is playing on the quest. You don't hear audio. Oh, that's a shame. Why can't we do this? Wait, my thing is broken. My line is stuck. The quest is weird. Now my quest is playing audio from my desktop. Okay. Again, tilt. Oh, we get... Is harvestable. We go in the same breakpoint now. Here. It will actually interesting. There is no plant. So it's null. Right. So I'm going to water the soil and plant a tomato. Woo, nice sun. Bye-bye. It kind of reminds me of The Time Machine, the movie. When they start traveling, the sun goes this as well. And then when he goes way into the future, it goes like almost... It goes faster. Oh, it's grown. Okay, now we're in a breakpoint again. Okay. Is it harvestable? Growth stage is 3. What the length? Wait. It is true. Did it work? Oh, now it did work. It didn't work before. Tomato. Oh, I do have money. I think I need to make the sun even faster. Let's do 5 seconds. It's fully grown. Harvest. And it's harvested. Okay, so it grows to the stage now. Okay, so that's something. So at least it's growing to the final stage. Now we need to figure out a way of spreading the other stages over the different days. So it's 3 stages over a number of days. So we have growth time divided by 3 for stage. So let's figure this out. So now we start. What if we do math dot explore. Yeah, I know. That's the whole idea. I think just not doing it gives the same result. So in this case, it returns 0. Wait, can't we just do... But like this? Would that work? It's 0 at first, then it's 1, then it's 2 at some point, and when it's 4, it should be the growth time. We should hit the growth stage. Well, which is 4. Anyway. Oh. The funny thing is, thinking while streaming is hard. And there's a new day. No, we don't do anything with the day. This is not correct. It's... So it's this value. Growing in days equals Copilot, where are you? I think we can do this. We talked about it earlier, so I think this is the death stage. No, we're not going to do the harvest. But if it's this, then it's ready to harvest. So we could just add a property is harvestable and set it to true. Private will... I always wonder how Copilot knows what I'm going, where I'm going. It's weird. So in this case, is harvestable is false. In this case, is harvestable is true. And now we need to add something where we say that Let's just help it. Let's just AI. It's AI driven development. Have the plant grow in stages. Have 3 sprites. Have 1 sprite for 1 every stage. There are 3 stages. Now build it. And now Copilot is quiet. Damn it. I was hoping it would work. Copilot, you're lazy. Now what? Tell me. We say... I know I need to do something with the growth time. No, it's not this growth time multiplied by 3. This will result in a value between 0 and 1. Oh wait, am I wrong? Is this correct? I think this could be correct. Let's remove all the... Oh, one of them needs to be double. No, we don't. Oh well. I think state should be a value between 0 and 3 now. It could be. Let's test. Otherwise, we're just going to log anything to the console, and then we will see what's happening. Let's hoe the ground, water it, and plant. So that's stage 1 already. We just hit the 2nd day. It's night, so when the sun comes up, we should go to the 3rd state. There we go. And then we're fully done. Oh, and we have the breakpoint still there. Let me remove that real quick. Wait, let's check if it's harvestable. It is. I got an idea. Let's water the ground because otherwise I can't plant. I wonder if the plant dies when I'm not going to harvest it. It should die in 2 days. Now this one should go slower. It is. Cool. It grew a little. So it's going to get night, then it's going to get day again, and then the plant should die. It did! Ah, it's so sad. Do we have carrots? That's a carrot. We don't have corn. Now I can't harvest anymore. Now there's a dead bush there. I don't have money for corn. But this is growing as well, so it's kind of working. So now I can harvest. Nice. We have 3 again. Oh, I still can't plant corn. We're getting close. So we need to make sure we can remove those again after they died. So I think we're going to do that with the rake. I love that they grow. Okay, so if they die, we need to remove it with the rake. I think I need to rename this method. It's not set plant anymore. No, I need to keep focused. It is a game jam. For now we call it set plant. Okay, so if the tool is a rake, oh wait, there is a plant in this case. With the rake, we only do things with the plant. So the plant is not harvestable, but the current plant, is it dead? Or yeah, we need to check 2 things. One, is the plant dead or is it overgrown? That's something we also going to implement. There is a chance that would grow stuff. Let's just make a property public. Public bool is dead. Is false. Maybe we should do it with a method as well. I think it's nicer. Let's do it with a private. It should not be settable from the outside. We don't want anyone to secretly revive dead plants. There we go. So now we go to our crop area. If current plant dot is dead. So there is a plant selected, but it is dead. Then we're just going to remove it from the growth area. It knows what we want. Can we do that? Can we just kill it? I think that's the best. Yeah. Thank you, Copilot. Public. Oh. Void. Destroy plant. And then it just kills itself. I like that. I used to do that in my WebXR games as well. I think I even had something like this in my very first WebXR game. I was looking at that earlier today even. Maybe I'm going to do a remake of that as well. There's not enough time. I need more time. I need to do something like this with the day duration in real life. Not having it set to 5 seconds, but to 80 hours a day or something. So now we should be able to destroy the plant when it's dead. If it's planted, if it's harvested, we have a soil changed. Oh wait, I did a soil state yesterday, I think. Growth area state. I think we need to move the plant to this as well. Let's pin these. So the growth area does it know? It has a plant reference. And the growth state. But we can move the plant reference to the growth state, and then it will become a property and we can respond to it. So for example, if we want to trigger animation or trigger whatever, we can just listen for an event, a change in the plant, and then respond to that. So when we plant something, we do something, and we can remove when we remove the plant, we can do something as well. Now for this, I'm using UniRX. I did a tutorial the other day on how to do something like this in WebXR. We're using that's called RxJS, and it's pretty similar to what we're doing here. So this is a game object, and this is the current plant. Let's call it current plant. Current plant, and then we do current plant there. We do game object. We do game object. Oh, that's not a game object. We do a game object here, and we set it to null. So now we have a reactive property. If we change it, it should trigger. We have, for example, oh, we don't do that even here. Oh yeah, when we hoe, we change the soil. Public void plant. That is exactly what I want to do. Interesting. Interesting that it does this. But I don't want it. It doesn't matter for the plant. Also, I want to remove the plant. So I think it's know what it knows what I want. No. Remove plant. Plant. And it says plant value is null. So we can only plant when we're on dirt. That's not correct. We can only plant when the soil is wet. The funny thing is we're moving the rules of the things to this, to the growth area state. Now let's see. We had this plant reference. We don't need it, so now we get some errors. So we say this dot game state. No. Growth area state. So it's do plant. And we're going to plant that instance. Oh, interesting. When we set it to the thing. Mm-hmm. I'm making things way too complex again. I need to. But it's not this plant. It's has plant. So we can remove the plant, we can set the plant. Now when we harvest it, we destroy it, what would happen? Would it become null? I don't like this. Get plant. No, it's not. It's plant, get plant, and then we say return this. And here we can just say current plant.value. Oh, this. Let's make sure it has a plant. If wait, would it just return null if we do this? Okay, let's test. Once it's dead, so we're just going to speed up the days even further. 5 seconds, so it's a couple of seconds and then we're done. Let's test. Oh, it's fast now. It's already night. It's already day. Woo. This is fun. So, tomato. It's growing? This is fun. Okay, we could harvest it. We don't. Oh, tomorrow it would die. So when the sun rises, it's dead. There we go. Now we should use the rake to remove it. And that doesn't work. Okay, let's... Oh, we have a null rev exception even. How can this be null? It is cool. It is cool. So the current plant is null. How did the current plant become null? So yeah, technically I'm allowed to use the assets. But the thing is, the theme of the game jam is life in 2 dimensions. So I deliberately made the choice to use this aesthetic. Oh, I cannot show it now because we're in a breakpoint. But to use the flat aesthetic. Otherwise, I would have used assets like that and just modeled everything in 3D. The question is, how did this become null? Remove plant. So we probably have removed, we called remove plant. Oh, wait. It is still harvestable, the plant. No. If we are here, it is not harvestable and it is dead. So as soon as we see this, we should never get back in here. Damn it, how can we debug this? Somehow... It's too bad we cannot go back to Unity. We probably have a lot of exceptions. Move out of the way. Oh, only 10. I clicked 10 times. It's probably just the way things are structured right now. Let's trace back. When we click set plant, it has a plant. We go to get plant. So it's the second time that is not working, probably, because it is already gone. By the way, this is a tricky line. We should not do this. We should have... But this plant... Oh, interesting. Did we somehow get into the harvestable state? We shouldn't. Yeah, I changed the script. Damn it. Probably get a million errors now. So we got them from growth area line 80. Get plant. This is returning null. Yeah, I think we need to do a has plant as well. Oh, we need to do the has plant as well. I just modified this, but this is not correct somehow. Because maybe we should make sure. Maybe we should make sure we have this set before anything else. I mean, could be that just plant is not null anymore, right? I don't like how this is going. I just don't want to get it done. Right now it should just work, even if it's not the best code. Okay, let's go there. Let's till the ground. Why can't I till the ground? I do have my hoe. Yes, there we go. I do have my yes. And a tomato. It's fully grown. Oh crap. I shouldn't try watering the ground. Lol. Well, at least we have a current plant. Now it's dead. We rake it. We don't even get into a breakpoint. Let's do this. Yeah, so somehow has plant is already 0 now. Oh, wait a second. There is some way that we there is this. Sprite rend. No. How do we show which sprite is rendered? Where is that? Stop. It's here. It's the growth area, and there is a. But it's not soil. What? Wait, where did the plants go? It's funny. I've been playing this game for a week. Making this game. Oh, I have a breakpoint set somewhere. Okay, let's pause it for a second. It's so funny, I made this game a week ago. It just adds as a child. which is fine. Initiates plant, and it parents it to itself. We just instantiate it here, and then we put it in the growth area. When we do remove plant, it says current plant to null. I thought we were destroying it. Why do we destroy it then? We just made this. We don't call it. Shouldn't this be a plant? Can we make this a plant? I mean, we're not going to plant anything else than a plant, right? Now we're just destroying plants. We have an issue here. Oh, when we instantiate it, it's not a plant. But we get something back here. For plant object or something. And then we say plant dot get component plant. We might be able to do this. Oh man. Oh. Whoa. I'm sorry. Guess the sound. There's only one beverage, I think, that makes that distinct sound when you open it. And therefore, this channel is not for kids. Do we have errors now? Did I break the whole thing? Oh wait, let's stop it. Let's clear. I don't think so. Let's play and see. Yeah, I kind of thought this would be the hardest part of the whole game anyway. Okay, let's wait a second. If I have more time. Oh, it's funny, the things in your hand light up. It's the sky. That hand. This hand doesn't. Okay, it's dead. Click. We get a breakpoint. Okay. Current plant is still a tomato, right? Okay, we have a current plant. Is the current plant harvestable? No, it's not. Is it selected to the rake? Yes, it is. Okay. Is it a dead plant? Yes. Okay, so now we continue and it should be gone. And it's gone. Cool. Which means we can start over. The tomato. Oh, I don't have tomato money anymore. Cool, but you have to keep the soil watered. Okay, but the plants die off now and we can remove them. So let's commit it. plants die and can be removed with rake. So we actually have a purpose for the rake now. But we need to make sure. And again, that is the the thing. Well, so there are two options. I think watering doesn't matter if there's a plant or not. If the soil is dirt, we're going to water it. And you have to water your plants every day, otherwise they die. Otherwise, they die. So now we should be able to water them. And now we need to make the plants die when the soil gets wrong. And I think I did it here. So after 2 days with action, it degrades. So if we go from dirt to grass, I would say if there's a plant, now we're not going to destroy it. We're going to kill it. Surprise Brandler is death, and this dot is harvestable is false. I think I'm just going to make sure. We do this. So now the plant is just killed no matter which way we go. So if you don't water your plant, it is dead. Let's test. So we have our hoe. We have a watering can. We're going to plant tomatoes. So we get 1 day. Okay. So we wait. Now it doesn't die off. That's odd. Why didn't it die off? Let us set a breakpoint at the... Oh, I didn't... Maybe, yeah. You need to save your files. If you save your files, things might work. It often helps if you just save your files. Okay, I'm just going to hoe. I'm not going to plant a watering can there. I'm just going to plant corn. Why? It grows slower, and we just have to wait a few seconds. So but it didn't die off. Why? It's fully grown. We can even harvest it. Doesn't matter which plant we do. We should hit the breakpoint as soon as the soil dries. Right now. No, no, no. It's dry, and now when it turns to grass, we should hit a breakpoint. We didn't. That's weird. Why didn't we hit the breakpoint? Because it didn't attach the thing to Unity. Yeah, then it doesn't hit breakpoints. Okay, let's try again. Now we hit a breakpoint. Run. Let's try again. So we till the ground. Oh, we need to till the ground, water the ground, plant something, and wait. This is day 1. This is day 2. This is day 3. And now we hit the breakpoint. Well, at least we hit the breakpoint. It's something. The current plant is not null. Okay, I wonder why we didn't kill the plant. Did I screw up the reference somewhere? This is taking so much time. I don't want to spend so much time on this crap. Now we hit a breakpoint. Why? But it didn't die. Why did it kill my plant? Okay, now we hit it again. Sprite is 32. We're going to set it to 35. It's not harvestable. And that is true. Continue. That is not. It's even growing. Why? Now the reason this is giving me a lot of trouble is that I did not. I know I should, but I did not set the state up correctly. I mean, this whole thing should be state and not... There should not be anything in the crop growth area except handling the change of the state to the output and handling some input to the thing. All this needs to be actually in the state and not in the controllers, the behaviors. But then still, my gut feeling says we have this. And oh wait, it's even here. This, or just I think that if the plant is dead, we don't have to do anything anymore. We don't need to check it. It's just there. It's just Done. We don't destroy it. But it's killed, it's dead. Maybe this helps. Otherwise we might get into the update again on the new day and then go here and then... Well, it should be... It should kill the plant again. I don't know. I don't get why it's still growing. Oh wait, I do know why it's still growing. Because there's growth time left. So this might just fix it. It's fun building games. Let's till the ground, water the ground, and plant something. So now when it dies, it should be dead. I think it takes quite some time before for the ground to run out. I picked 2 days, but I think it could be 1. Although it just seems the ground stays watered, stays wet for 1 day extra. Okay, so we should get in here. Yeah, we're going to kill the plant off. Is it dead? It is. It's a dead bush now. Now, can we till the ground again? We cannot. If we remove the plant, can we till the ground again? Yes. Okay, now what happens if I plant it? I cannot when it's not wet. When I don't have money. When I plant something, now I need to keep the ground wet, and it should be growing, right? So now the ground turns, and now we need to water it again. It should grow. Now. Ooh, this takes a lot of time to grow. If it is growing. I don't think it's growing. Let's quickly drop a breakpoint. Right here. It's not the right place. I needed to go here. The plant is dead. It doesn't show that. Which is odd. It doesn't show that. Now it does. Oh, I need to fix this. Let's take a step back. I just realized something. Can I do... I'm checking if I can do this. Okay, I set up the audio for the quest as well. Now I wonder if I'm going to play the game. No audio yet. Now we have audio. The stream should have audio. Okay. So at least it's something. Why can I plant it? Okay, I was not doing something right. It's growing. It's growing. I can harvest it. And I can immediately plant again. Because the soil is still wet. It is drying? What did I plant? Tomato again? Then it should be growing. Watering can. Tomato. I mean, it should grow. Nothing is growing. That's weird. Do we have errors? We don't. And now we have 2 dead plants. Need to be a tomato. We plant a tomato. It's not growing anymore. Let's quickly drop a breakpoint in the grow thing. Plant on new day. It's probably dead already. Yeah. Why is it dead? It should not be dead. Why is it dead? Who made it? Who made it dead? Who made it dead? Huh. Who made my plants dead? What I'm afraid of... Okay. We have our... We instantiate a new one. We're not using the original one. It wasn't me. Yeah, I wish I could blame you. That would make things easier. Who killed my plants? We could ask Rosie. Hey, Rosie. Is she working? She's not. Hey, Rosie. She fell asleep again. She is running. Hey, Rosie. I think her audio broke or something. Too bad. Would be fun to ask Rosie. He's actually running here in my auto screen. But she won't know why this is, I guess. My feeling says that plants are still there even after they are harvested. When I kill them, I could plant them again, but they won't grow again. They were still dead. However, they start in the first stage and don't give errors. Is it just going to go through start again? Would be weird, I guess. I never understand this whole life cycle thing in Unity. I read about it, but sometimes it's just weird. And then all of a sudden you go into... Now we have two musics to play together. Let me kill the other one. Okay, let's make the ground a little bit wet. Let's plant something. It's growing, so that's fine. Let's pick water again, because we probably need to water the plant. Yes. We harvest. Plant. We cannot plant. We can't plant. Now we have carrots. Is it going to grow now? We need to water it. I think it grew. So it's probably not going to start again. Oh, it's grown. Or not yet. Now it is. Yay! It's working. Okay, let's keep it at this. It's working. Okay, working. Let's just put a ribbon on it and ship it. Keeping the soil wet. And grow and harvest. Or something. I don't know. Push it. Done. What's next? Let's check the list. Okay, so we have... this one. We have this one. And we have this one. Actually, we're done for today. I don't want to stop. I downloaded some audio effects. So I might be able to just... So what I was thinking... Let's just... I did the music at some point, but... The rest... We need to slow it down again. Let's do that first. Let's do 30 seconds again. Okay, let's pause the music. I'm going to just drop the audio effects in here as well. And then we're going to rename them. And I just downloaded a couple of things that I thought we probably need to add them as well. So during the day, I want birds. During the night, I want crickets. That's going to be an interesting one. I've got crickets. We don't hear anything. Because it's playing on the... Oh, you can hear it. I don't hear it, but you can hear it. That's weird. I can probably change my audio settings here, right? To listen to the... It's not. It's weird. I don't hear anything. Okay, I'm going to do it in a different way. Show in Explorer. Audio. What's that audio tool called? SoundForge. Yes, I have it. Oh, cool. Just got a nice message that I need to get. if I go in here, can I play it now? Yes. And you should be able to hear it as well. These are crickets. Now I'm going to shorten this, and I'm going to loop it, and I'm going to make it a WAV file. I think MP3 files have a weird thing in Unity when looping. So I'm going to make it a WAV file and loop it. And then we're going to do the same thing again for, let me check, we have birds in spring in Scotland. I mean, this is the perfect ambience. And then we have harvest sounds, and those are not going to loop. Those are just going to be... These are just a couple of sounds. We only need one, so let's just save. Now we have one. So that's the harvest sound. Then we have planting sounds. I think it's this. It's a weird sound, but yeah. It says planting sound, so it's fine by me. Then we have a watering can. Now, I hope no one has drank too much water. The sound is way too long. Now, do we need the end of it? I don't think so. I think you should... I think we're going to use the dripping sound, but I don't need this. I think that there's more rumble here. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, it's just dripping. Okay, save. And then we have the planting, we have the harvest, we have the birds, we have the... Do we do the hoe? No. This is a, this this is the sound of a hoe. I think it's scraping soil. I think I'm just going to use only that part. But I was thinking this. We are going to implement a rake, maybe if there's enough time, to remove overgrowth. So we could use this sound effect. So we're just going to do new. Control V, yes. Control S. Let me go into the right folder. Assets, game, audio, and let's call this rake. I don't know. This is the rake sound. No, we don't need the intro. Now there's a clicking sound at the end. We're going to remove that. Maybe. Nah, let's just keep it like this. Okay, this is the hoe sound. That was the watering can. Okay, now we have birds. What I think of doing is make them loop both, but change the volume levels based on the day-night cycle. So we have birds during the day. Now this needs to be this needs to be a wave, I think, if I recall correctly. So this is going to be a wave. Where's wave? I think with a W. Yeah. We just call this birds. Birds. Now there is a little trick to make it loopable, and that is just going to the end. Just copy it, go to the beginning, and then there's an option to paste and mix. Then we get this, and now we get a crossfade. We could create a crossfade. Right? So now if we do a... I need to remember how to do this. Do we need to... Something like this. So the clipboard source... No, it's fading in now, so it should be the other way around. Damn it. Like so. So now we're just fading out this one, and now when we do this, we should not hear anything. And because it's just noise anyway, we don't hear it. We now have a seamless loop in our audio. Listen. I think it's looping. It's not looping. Now it's looping. Listen to what's happening when we just go back to the beginning. We should not hear anything. There is a pause there. QB. There's a pause at the end of the file. Yeah, there is a slight pause here. That sucks. Okay, let's undo. Why can't I undo? Nope, don't save. Let's do it again. I should have checked that before. Birds in Scotland. It's already a wave. Let's go to the end. Now, since we're looping, it doesn't really matter. We're just going to cut off the end. So now it's just... There's a click there. I want to remove the click. So go to cut the end. I did a copy before, and I need to do a cut. Paste, mix. It kept our preferences, so we do okay. Just go with it. So now we go here. Seamless. Because we removed some part of the end to the beginning and then just did a crossfade. So we're always crossfading. We could have done it the other way around as well, but now with these random noises, it works perfectly. With audio, with music, it's more difficult because you have to stay in beat and stuff, but Now the crickets is an MP3 file. The other one turned out to be a WAV file, but let's do crickets wave. Save. Let's just chop off a little bit of the end. Doesn't matter. Control X. And let's just chop off a little bit of the beginning as well. Edit, paste special, mix. It should have kept the thing. Okay. So let's just go with the beginning. That's fine. Let's loop it to see if it works. There's a slight audio difference in level, but I don't like that. Let's see, we delete this, we go to the end. We'll just take like, these are seconds, I think. Is it 14 seconds? So let's do the last 5 seconds. X. Go to the beginning, edit, paste special, mix. So now we have a crossfade. Wait, what? Needs to go there. Okay. If you know what to listen for, you hear the volume change slightly. It's fine. Again, it's a game jam. Who's going to notice? Let's go back to Unity. We're going to import some things we changed. And all the other things we have as well. So this is the crickets. This is the one we did. So we do crickets. This is the hoe. It's weird. I know the stream can hear the audio now. Is it playing on the quest? Maybe because the quest is attached. Let me check. Yeah, it's playing on the quest. Weird. Okay. I will listen through the quest. So let's rename this to Ho. I think we can remove all of this. Birds in Scotland. We did birds. Wait. Oh, damn it. 228. 223. This is a looping one. Yeah, this is a seamless. This one loops seamlessly, so this birds is old. Not needed. Birds. Okay. And then we have harvest. Yeah, that's fine. So that's harvest. And then we have planting. Oh, it's looping right now. But planting. And then we have the watering can. And then we're going to remove all of the temp files. Okay. It's fine. Probably because I still have things open here. No? Oh well. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Let's just go into the sound effects. So the birds and crickets are going to go into the day-night cycle, and the rest is just going to go in the sound effects. So let's close everything. Let's do it like this. Window close all. And let's go to the sound effects controller. Fail, success, I'm keeping those. And I'm just going to add plant. Oh. What else did we have? Hoe. We had watering can. Harvest, hoe, plant, rake. Harvest, hoe, plant, rake. Harvest, hoe, plant. Harvest, hoe, plant. Rake. Harvest, hoe, plant, rake, and watering can. So we do. I'm just going to do the same as I did here. Play harvest. Hoe. Rake. Harvest, hoe, plant. And watering can. So harvest, hoe, plant, rake, and watering can. Save. Okay, now let's drop the audio in there. So we go to the sound effects controller. They're here. So we do harvest, hoe, plant, rake, watering can. I don't know what happens when you play multiple sound effects. I think the other one stops, but whatever. Next, let's trigger those. So we go to the code. I don't really like this, but how we do it? We already have a few things in here. Is it in here? Let's see, probably. SFX controller, yeah. It's not the best. Oh, it's not success. This is play harvest. When it's dead and we remove it, we play rake. Otherwise, when we hoe, we play hoe. When we plant, we play plant. Otherwise, we fail. Yeah. We don't have the watering can in here. Okay, fine. Is that in the growth area state? It's tricky. It's tricky. I have this water here. It's reference. Where's the reference from? Here, set plant. Oh wait, I just need to play it here. Watering can. Do we have them now? Rake, hoe, plant, harvest, and watering can. Rake, hoe, plant, harvest, and watering can. Watering. I made a typo there, damn it. Well, I'm not going to work, but I need to drop it in again. Yeah, watering can. Save. Let's test, I guess. So you have music. Oh. Plant it. I like it. I would say sound effects, check. There needs to be a click or something when we select. But for now, I say check. Edit. Sound effects. Commit. Push. Done. Sound effects. Oh, the birds and the leaves I said here, but birds and crickets. That's a tricky one. Okay, we have 2 audio clips. Oh, 2 audio clips. And they're going to go into the day-night cycle. Or let's do birds and crickets. Can we try something else? If you go here, it's kind of weird to add audio to your lights. We have the audio mixer. Let's just go easiest. So we have. Wait, let's do it like this. We have birds. This is going to be weird, but now we have crickets. Oh, that's funny. Remove component. We're doing it differently. We're going to add this as a sub. So we do birds, and we do add crickets. Wait, we don't have to do it as a child. If we do it like this, we can just go here and do this. We only need a reference, right? Now I'm not going to reference the clip because this is going to be birds. This is going to be crickets. So we have birds and crickets. I do want to have them an audio in a mixer. So I'm going to add a group, and this is going to be, well, day, night, maybe. So the birds, can I just drop it in here? No. Day, night, and the crickets are going into the day, night as well. So now we can just individually change the sound of the volume of the crickets and the birds. Birds, crickets. I'm going to say play on awake and loop. So we have birds and crickets playing at the same time. Let's test. Do we hear them? I hear crickets and birds. It's working. Now we can change the volume based on these. So we're not going to do the sample. We're going to reference the audio source and then change the volume based on the time of the day. So it's not an audio clip. It's an audio source for the birds and an audio source for the crickets. Now we might be able to just use the same construction as we do here, but then for the audio. This just lerps and lerps. Let's go from one to the other and back, so to speak. So what if we do crickets dot volume equals lerp crickets to volume. So this is the night, I believe. Nighttime. So at nighttime the crickets go to 1. And the birds lerp to 0. And during the day, Control C, is the other way around. Will this work? Play. Let's test. I hear crickets. So it's not working. We have... Oh, wait. Sometimes, when you do things, it might help if you set the properties. There we go. Save. Run. There's only birds now. Let's mute the music for a second. Birds. And now we have crickets. And now we have birds. It works. And now we have crickets. Oh, I love it. Fixed it. Oh man, this is cool. I love this. Save. We have crickets and birds during the day. Commit push. Don't touch it anymore. Ship it. We're done. Birds during the day. Crickets at night. Commit all. Push. So let's just update the thing here. We have sound effects. Boom. Day 7. So what else? Test. Yeah, I think this is it. I think I'm going to leave it as it is for today. I think I'm going to add a check mark to this. I'm happy with it. We're making progress. The game is playable. All there's left to do is polish. So for the next 3 days, I can enhance, polish, test, tweak, make it look better. I guess. Yeah. Nice. Well, with that, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I'm not sure if I'm going to stream tomorrow because there is a meetup at the WebXR Discord. Make sure you join that if you are interested in WebXR. If you're looking at this in the future, make sure to join the Discord anyway. We have a meetup every last Sunday of the month. I just talk about WebXR stuff. It's pretty cool. I will probably stream maybe after that. Otherwise, I will be back on Monday probably with day 9. Yeah, 9 then of 10. So we're getting close to the end then. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Have a great rest of your day, and bye bye.